Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add app icon of Brave browser on your PC. Now sometimes the app icon may be missing, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add the app icon. Now Brave is a free and open source web browser that is fast, private and secure. It is easy, it has a faster ad-free browsing. It helps you to enjoy a faster ad-free browsing experience. Now, if you're having a problem and you want to fix it, what do? Alright, I'm going to give you a step-by-step procedure. The first thing you have to do is you have to open Brave again, that is the Brave browser again, and then right click on the Brave icon in the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. The next thing you're going to do is open the start menu and type command prompt. So you right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Then in the command prompt window, you type the following command and press enter. You could type ICACLS %, local app data %, again /icon cache.db /reset. Sorry, let me repeat that. ICACLS %, local app data %, again /icon cache.db /reset. So once you do that, you type on www.fresherslive.com or www.fresherslive.com. That is, you close the command prompt window and restart your computer. So once you've done that, it will help you to reinstall Brave. Now, uninstall Brave from your computer, download the latest version of Brave from the official website and install it. If you're using Mac, don't forget to quit and reopen the Brave app. Quit to install the Brave browser, open the Brave again and reinstall Brave. Uninstall Brave. How do you uninstall Brave from Mac? Download the latest version of Brave from the official website and install it after uninstalling Brave from your Mac. Remember, to install Brave from Mac, you have to quit all instances of the Brave browser, open the Brave again, and then tap on uninstall Brave. The next thing you're going to do is, even none of the above solutions work, you can try the following additional steps. For Windows, check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. Then disable and re-enable Brave. By going to settings, clicking on apps and features, click on find Brave. Sorry, look for that option find Brave, and then you click on it and you select advanced options. So select reset and then select repair. If it's on the Mac, what do? You have to check for Mac operating system updates. So make sure your Mac operating system update is up to date, and then you tap on open disk utility, select your startup disk, and then tap on repair disk permission. It's as simple as that.